Artificial intelligence errors. In general, everything is covered in the lesson itself, so there's nothing special to demonstrate here. But I can show you an example. For instance, Claude wrote these posts and many of them exceeded the 280 character limit. So I pointed this out to Claude and asked it to fix the issue. And here's the next iteration. This is the last version, number 10, and now contains shortened versions of some posts. You can see it right here. Some sentences were condensed and after several iterations it corrects them. Similarly, you simply include all the edits you need to make in your next message and it implements the changes. It's particularly convenient to use this artifact mechanism in Claude, that is a document that exists separately from the chat where it edits that specific document. This means all this text doesn't clutter the chat itself, it's contained specifically in the document that you can conveniently view in a separate window. Therefore, make use of this feature and tell the AI what edits need to be made to your material.